All right, welcome back to another Mike's Visions. Tonight, we are going to take the engine off of the CT200-U. We're gonna freaking take the tires off. We're gonna take the wheel fenders off, and we're gonna hopefully start pretty quick tearing this engine apart. I am making a lot of notes on how to go about taking this engine apart. I know everybody's like, just jump into it and just start taking parts off. Well, I want to put everything back together on spec and everything like that. So I got a little bit more notes, a couple more videos to watch. And yeah, hopefully, honestly, in the next few days, start taking the engine apart with you guys. So yeah, well, let's take the engine off. Let's get this going. Alrighty, guys. So the first thing you're gonna want to do, locate your master lock or your master chain. Take off your first little clip. Take off the outer clip, excuse me. Take off that guy. What I like to do is, all you need is a pair of needle nose pliers to take that off too. Just slip that on there, clip it off, real easy. What I like to do is I like to put it back. I like to put it back together because I will lose it. See? Real simple. Real easy. Okay. Next, what we'll do, take our favorite ratchet and a 5/16 socket. Let's take off the torque converter cover. Try not to lose these. Let's see what we got going on in here. Not bad. Not bad at all. Get rid of this guy. He gone. Yeah, belt doesn't look too bad at all. Especially for the abuse and everything I've been putting it through. Good job, Go Power Sports. Good job. Good quality stuff. All right, well, let's get that chain out of there. Real easy. Whoop. Boom. Done. Now, I like to soak my chains. Give them a little, you can soak them in basically anything you want. the other side. I'm just using oil, guys. Nothing crazy. Soaking my chain. Just putting it on. You guys are gonna want to see. That's all I'm doing. Add a little bit of bar oil. Get in there. This is an arcade racing chain that I got. Awesome little 420 chain I got here. Yeah, so that's that. Got that good. Put this over here to constantly trip over it. Okay, well, let's get underneath it and take the bolts off. Actually, we probably should take the throttle cable off. Real simple. Just a Phillips screwdriver. Another Phillips over there. Pull that little wire right out. Off it comes. Let's switch over to the other side, guys, and I'll do this to show you guys for in case anybody who is new to mini biking and doesn't know. So hold on, real quick. All right, guys. Now we're back over here. Take a little Phillips little screwdriver. Loosening up the throttle cable. Don't have to go too crazy, just enough. Get over here. So you see it wiggling around. There. Ta-da! Throttle cable off. Real easy. Oh, I just dropped my light. Hold on. So we got the throttle cable off. We do need to take the kill switch, disconnect the kill switch. We'll do that from the front. And we can take the bolts off, the 4 bolts off the bottom. She's off. So let's see this. Ew, what happened here? Lost my little light. Want to be a real Mike's Vision if things didn't break on me all the time. Here's my microphone right here. Can you guys hear me? We got a lot of snow up here in the last few days up here in the Pacific Northwest. We really don't get much snow, but when we do, we tend to have fun with it. I did take the mini bike out into it around the neighborhood. I will post that video for you guys. Just a quick little video. Most of you guys have probably even seen it on my Facebook. But let's see here. Alright. Gonna take this off. And disconnect right here. So, here's that. And then this might be too big. No, it's too small. Nice. This closer. This thing's just caked with dirt. Should have pressure washed this thing off before I started doing all this. I am being blinded by this light. Can you guys see what I'm doing? I guess you guys can see. That's too big. I'm missing a socket. Nothing more irritating. Then we got a socket. MIA. Ha! Let's see. Yeah, you fit on there. Huh. Let's see if I can force this to work. Even though this isn't the right tool. Sorry, guys. Kick my oil over. Nope. I thought I was going to get away with this. Hold on, guys. All right. Well, in case any of you guys are wondering, it's number 10 socket. Nothing like having your tools ready when you're starting the job. Okay, kill switch is off, chains off, throttle cable's off. Let's take the engine off. Huh. How the hell that happened? My engine slid back. That's weird. That is weird. Huh. How am I going to get this off now? Well, if there's a will, there's a way. And trust you me, there is a way. Yeah, they are right there. That is so freaking bizarre. Yeah, let's see if I can show you guys this. I'm working with here. Yeah. Slid up underneath the freaking frame. Can't even get your socket in there. That's how much it slid. All right. Let's we'll be right back. Okay. Short little recap. At a ranch. Busted it loose. Should be able to get the socket in there. We climbed a mountain. Literally That's why this thing, I think, moved on me. So, yeah, I'm going to have to do something about that. I don't want this thing to move anymore. Let's see. Let's see if I can get you guys up where the action's at. All right. We got her loose. Let's take her all the way off, huh? Oh, she wants to fight. One. Gonna have to put some something on these guys to make these suckers move anymore. Can't believe that. It would help if I was on it. Okay. There's two. Where'd that go? Go. Oh my goodness. Get this off. Alright. I don't know where that nut went. Okay. There's that. Okay. Put those there, put you on here. Okay. Huh. Dropped another one. And this one, though. Where'd that other one go? Well, let's take it off. Dismount the engine. God, this thing is heavier than I remember it being. Aha! On the nut. Ugh. Okay. Engine risers, bolts all up. Do you see something missing? I don't know. It goes like right here. I'm not sure though. Just kidding, guys. Oh yeah. Forgot to say too. Happy Valentine's Day. There's some nuts on here. Okay, well, now we're taking the fenders off. Guys, bear with me. I'm sorry about this. Okay. All it is to take the fenders off is a number 10. On there. Okay. Some first nut came off. Big old washer under there. I remember that. Huh? This on. I'm gonna put this over here so I can lose it later. Ah! Get your finger. Ratchet. Another one of those big washers. Huh. Got in there. Voila, guys. One fender off. Kind of looks really cool like this. Kind of like it. Check that out. Kind of gives it that bobber look to it. All right, let's take this front one off now. How dirty you get doing this? For any mini bikes, it helps if you wash them off before you start tearing into them. That's not what we do here at the old Mike's Vision, though. We just jump head first and everything. All right. Take the front off. Pretty much the same. So, alrighty guys. Well, same socket. Just gonna take that one off and gonna call it a night. Got the engine up on the stand. Getting ready for the Mod 2. Yeah. So, you guys, if you guys haven't, make sure to like and subscribe. Get you out of that dark or out of that bright light over here. Like I said, I'm going to take that fender off. And yeah, gonna get ready for take it over and have it freaking powder coated. So we'll see how that turns out. Be awesome. But alright guys, like I said, if you haven't liked and subscribed, make sure to do so. And till we get to build in this, see you guys on the next one. Alright, good night guys.